Hi, Doctor. We are Group 4. Our topic is bird nest milk chocolate. It's chocolate Susu Saran Brown. Our member is Chen Meijian, Xiongyu Xiao, Song Yujing, Tianxin Shuo, and Chen Jingzhe.
First of all, let me give a short introductions of our groups of products. We can see that there is a picture on the left side of this page. It is the product picture designed by our group, and its name is Bird's Nest Milk Chocolate, and its Malaysian name is Cocoa Susu Serum Maroon. And if you want me to describe this product, I will say the bird nest milk chocolate. It combines the rich taste of cocoa butter with the luscious touch and edible bird's nest. It will offer the consumers a unique confectionery experience.
Next, I will
Next, I
continue
will
to
continue to
introduce the
introduce
ingredient
the
list of
ingredient list
Cubulus
of
milk
the bird
chocolate.
nest
We can see
milk
that there is
chocolate.
a picture on the
We
right
can see
side of
there
this
is a picture
page,
on the
which
right
is the
side of
back of
this page,
product diagram
which
designed
is
by
the
our
back
group.
of the product diagram
According to
designed
the
by our
Malaysian
group.
Food Regulation
According to the Malaysian
1985,
Food
the
Regulations
ingredient in the ingredient list
1985,
must be
the
arranged from
ingredients in the
high to
ingredient
low
list
according to the
must be
weight
arranged from
percentage
high
of each
to low
ingredient.
according to the weight
So our group
percentage
lists the
of
ingredient list
each
of this
ingredient.
chocolates we
So
designed on
our
the
group
left
lists the
side
ingredient
in
list
descending
of this
order of
chocolate on the
ingredient
left
content.
side
And
in
as we can
descending order
see,
of
the first
ingredients content.
ingredient with the highest
So
content
as we can
is
see, the
cocoa
first
butter,
one
and then followed
ingredient with the
by milk
highest
salt,
content is
edible
cocoa
bird's
butter
nest
with
powder,
25%.
sweeteners,
The
and
second
sugar,
one is the
emulsifier,
sugar with
flavoring,
35%.
antioxidant, and
And
then
then
is
is milk salt with
preservative.
20%.
And we will
And next one
explain
is
the
cocoa powder with
specific
50%.
additives and
Then is
preservatives
the
in details in
bird
next
nest
few
powder with
pages.
5%.
Next, I will continue
The
to
sixth
introduce
one
the
is the
ingredient list of
emulsifier
Cubulus milk chocolate.
with
We can see that there is a
0.4%,
picture on the
and
right
then is
side of this page,
flavoring,
which is the back of
sweeteners,
product diagram designed by our
preservative,
group.
and
According to the Malaysian
antioxidant.
Food Regulation
We will
1985, the
explain the
ingredient in the
names and
ingredient list must
functions
be
of
arranged
specific
from high to
additives
low
and
according to the
preservatives
weight
in detail in
percentage of
next
each
few pages.
ingredient. So, the third part of our group presentation is about food additives. I will introduce the specific food additives and food preservatives used in the Cubulus milk chocolate we designed and their corresponding functions. As we can know, the first one is licensing, and its main function is acts as an emulsifier to improve the uniform mixing of cocoa butter and other ingredients. And the second one is enhance the texture, making the chocolate smoother and easier to mold. And the last function of it is to extend the shelf life. As we all know, fat is very easy to separation and it can preventing fat separation. So, and the second one of it is ascorbic acid. Its main function is act as an antioxidant, so it can prevent the oxidation of fat in chocolate, which will also help to chocolate maintain the freshness. And the second function of it is to stabilize the product's color and also can prolong the chocolate shelf life.
The third additive is vanillin. The function is act as a flavoring agent, enhancing the chocolate's aroma and creating a richer sensory experience, and marks as any unpleasant odors from processing. Four is soybic acid. Function is act as a preservative to inhibit the growth of mold, yeast, and bacteria to ensure the product remains safe and fresh. The last is glycerin. The function of glycerin is act as a humectant to preventing the chocolate from drying out and maintaining its soft and moist textures.
Then it's food pricing. The first step is melting cocoa butter. Cocoa butter needs to be processively controlled in temperature for melting, typically between 40 to 45 degrees, to maintain its validity and chocolate flavor. And the second step is add additives and fillings. The chocolate seasoning powder should be sifted before adding to remove impurities and clumps. Milk soda needs to be mixed with water and heated to a specific temperature and to fully dissolve. And the next step is emulsify mixture. Emulsifiers and stirring equipment are then used to ensure that all ingredients are fully emulsified to form a stable mixture. And the next step is boiling. Heat the mixture to a certain temperature to remove excess water and increase the consistency of the candy. And the next step is pour into molds, cool, and solidify. The candy material cooled to the right temperature is poured into forming machine and molded through the mold. And the last step is packaging candy. After forming, the candy should be quickly packed to prevent moisture absorption and contamination. Packaging material must be meet food safety standards and be handled under sterile condition. And then this is the key step for this product. Cocoa butter temperature. The crystalline form of fat determines the texture, sensory properties, and the shelf-life of chocolate. Chocolate with improper temperature adjustment either has a short shelf-life or is difficult to process.
Now I will introduce our product packaging. The primary packaging is made of food-grade foil packaging. It can be better preserve the integrity of chocolate and also make it more convenient to consume. For instance, if a person cannot finish a whole piece of chocolate at one time, they can wrap it up again with the foil. This way, the food can be kept in better condition and be more hygienic. The secondary packaging is made of cardboard boxes. It's usually to facilitate transportation, operation, and for convenience.
Name: Bird's milk chocolate, chocolate Susu serum brown. Origin: the product contains milk lecithin and other allergens. Storage instructions: store in a cool and dry place. Manufacturer information: Group4 STKM. Expiration date: 18 months. Net weight: 100 grams. The nutrition board is under the name, and the ingredients are next to the name.
The table on this page is about nutritional content. In addition, we also pay attention to this product contains neutral bird's nest ingredients and high-quality milk chocolate rich in energy and protein, and a varied diet helps to achieve balanced nutrition. Food category follows Food Regulation 281 Milk chocolate specific requirements. 1. Milk chocolate shall be the product prepared by mixing cocoa paste or cocoa with sugar, milk solids, cocoa butter with or without the addition of other food. This follows Food Regulation 281. 2. There shall be writing in the label on a packaging containing food additive imported, manufactured, advertised for sale or sold. This follows food regulation. 19.
Food quality. Key quality factors: consistency of texture, rich chocolate flavor, correct dissolution of sweeteners, and edible bird's nest powder, health and safety standards. Quality maintenance: strictly control the processing temperature, test regularly for microbial contamination, use high-quality food-grade packaging materials. Implement good manufacturing practice and hazard analysis and critical control point systems.
That's all our presentation. Thanks for watching. Bye.